Ready to level up your kitchen game? We've tested the hottest countertop ovens of 2025, so you don't have to. Whether you're a home chef, a busy parent, or just looking to make meal prep easier, you'll want to stick around to see which oven truly sizzles above the rest. Before we dive in, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, give a thumbs up or down, and let us know in the comments which oven you think is the best fit for your kitchen. Your feedback helps us keep making great content for you. Alright, let's get started. Number 1. GE Profile Smart Oven, Model P9OIAAS6TBB. The GE Profile Smart Oven immediately stands out for its innovative design and smart features. The first thing you'll notice is its unique garage door style sliding door. It's not just a cool, futuristic touch, it's actually practical, making it much safer and easier to access your food without risking burns or bumping your hands on a hot door. This is a small detail, but it makes a big difference in everyday use. This oven comes loaded with 11 one-touch cooking functions, including bake, air fry, broil, and more. The sleek touchscreen interface is intuitive and easy to navigate, so you won't be fumbling with confusing buttons or dials. If you're into smart home tech, you'll love the Smart HQ app connectivity. You can control the oven's temperature, timer, and settings right from your phone, and the app even sends notifications when your food is almost ready. Plus, it can guide you through recipes step by step, which is perfect if you're trying something new. When it comes to performance, the GE Profile Smart Oven really delivers everything we cooked, from crispy Brussels sprouts to juicy air-fried chicken, came out evenly cooked and full of flavor. Air-frying frozen fries resulted in a perfectly crispy, golden finish that honestly rivaled our favorite takeout spots. However, there are a couple of drawbacks to keep in mind. The no preheat feature sounds great in theory, but in practice, most recipes still needed a few extra minutes to cook through. Also, the oven's interior and accessories tend to get dirty quickly, so you'll want to stay on top of regular cleaning to keep it looking and working its best. Overall, the GE Profile Smart Oven is a smart, stylish, and reliable addition to any kitchen. It offers impressive results and a ton of convenience, with just a few minor trade-offs. Number 2. Café Couture Smart Oven, Model C9OAAAS 3RD3. If you're looking for an oven that combines both style and performance, the Café Couture Smart Oven is a top contender. Much like the GE Profile, it delivers consistent, impressive results and is super user-friendly. This oven quickly became our go-to for everyday kitchen tasks. Reheating pizza, roasting vegetables, baking cookies, it handled all of these faster and easier than our standard oven. We even found ourselves reaching for it instead of our toaster for things like bagels and frozen waffles, just because it was so convenient. The Café Couture comes well equipped with a baking tray, wire rack, air fry basket, and a round pizza pan that fits up to a 12-inch pizza. Its spacious interior can also accommodate a standard 9x13 baking pan without handles, making it versatile enough for multiple cooking projects or using several rack positions at once. You can even roast a whole chicken in it, which is pretty impressive for a countertop appliance. The only real downside is its size. This oven has a large footprint, so you'll need to reserve a good amount of counter space. But with its elegant design and copper accents, it's a stylish addition that you'll actually want to keep on display, not hide away in a cabinet. Number 3. Ninja Foodi XL Pro Countertop Oven. If you're after a more budget-friendly option that doesn't skimp on performance, the Ninja Foodi XL Pro is a standout. This spacious countertop oven can handle 2 cooking racks at once, making it ideal for multitasking whether you're prepping dinner and dessert at the same time or just cooking for a crowd. The oven features a large handle and clearly labeled buttons, so it's easy to adjust the cooking function, time, and temperature. With 10 cooking functions and an optional temperature probe, it takes the guesswork out of cooking. The oven will even automatically shut off when your food reaches the perfect temperature. We tested this with a 7-pound chicken, and it came out moist, juicy, and perfectly cooked. The Ninja Foodi XL Pro delivered consistent results across the board. Some foods like frozen pizza and French fries needed a few extra minutes, but everything was evenly cooked and nicely browned. For best results when using both racks, we recommend rotating the trays since the side near the fan cooks a bit faster, so you'll need to wash them by hand. Still, for its price and performance, the Foodi XL Pro is a solid choice for anyone looking to get the most bang for their buck. Number 4. Our Place Wonder Oven. If you have a smaller kitchen or just want something that won't take up too much space, the Our Place Wonder Oven is a compact alternative with a charming, retro-inspired design. Its smaller size does mean the interior is limited. It can't fit a 12-inch pizza or a standard sheet pan, but it does offer 2 rack positions for some flexibility. Despite its compact build, the Wonder Oven really shines when it comes to air frying. It quickly crisps up frozen foods and can even handle a 4.5-pound chicken with ease. One feature that really sets it apart is the steam cooking option. By adding a bit of water to the top outlet, you can create juicy, flavorful meals. Perfect for reheating bread, pastries, and meats without drying them out. The main drawback is the controls. The oven uses analog dials for temperature and timer settings, which makes it hard to be precise. We often found ourselves setting a backup timer on our phone just to make sure we didn't overcook anything. Overall, the Our Place Wonder Oven is a great pick for small kitchens. It offers strong performance and some unique features, but the controls could definitely use some improvement. Number 5. Tovala Smart Oven. The Tovala Smart Oven is unique because it integrates with the brand's prepared meal delivery service, making mealtime incredibly convenient. Each Tovala meal comes with a QR code. Just scan it, and the oven automatically sets the right time and temperature. In our test, the meals turned out great. Meats were juicy, veggies perfectly roasted, and grains tender. Beyond Tovala meals, the oven's scanner recognizes a wide range of packaged foods from brands like Stouffer's, Amy's, and Trader Joe's. Just scan the barcode, and the oven does the rest. The Tovala app also offers plenty of recipes designed specifically for this oven, so you're not limited to just pre-made meals. You can use the Tovala Smart Oven for your own recipes too, with settings for baking, broiling, steaming, and air frying, depending on the model you choose. We were impressed by its quick preheating and reliable cooking results. Plus, it connects to your smartphone and sends notifications when your food is ready, so you don't have to hover in the kitchen. The main drawbacks are its smaller capacity. It can't fit a 12-inch pizza or a 9 by 13-inch pan. And you have to choose between steam and air fry, since these features are available on separate models. So, which countertop oven takes the crown? For us, it's the GE Profile Smart Oven P 90IAAS 6TBB. With unmatched versatility, smart features, and flawless results, it's the one to beat. If you want the best, this is the one to get. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and let us know in the comments which oven you'd pick for your kitchen. See you in the next video.